Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV in beautiful Sandy, Oregon. I've got Nick behind the camera. If I'm not available, please ask for him. Today, we've got a treat. We are looking at a brand new Midwest Passage. For those of you who know the Midwest Passage, traditionally it's been built on the short wheelbase or 170 wheelbase, so 144 or 170, but this is on the Ford Transit. There was a very limited run of these that they did at the Midwest factory, and we took advantage of the opportunity to buy the majority of what they had. So if you're looking across the country, we are one of the few dealers that are going to carry a very special product like this. So if you are familiar with the Passage, you'll recognize the floor plan because inside it's pretty much all laid out the same. But we are built on the Ford Transit with the EcoBoost, all-wheel drive. So it's got all the driver features that you're going to be looking for in the new Ford Transit. Beautiful fiberglass moldings with a non-slip tape coming inside. Look at the beautiful woven vinyl floor, glass shower door, just beautiful aesthetics. You got solid surface counters, vanity inside, toilet paper cover, all this solid surface counter here, induction cooktop, lithium batteries, inverter, energy management system, beautiful ultra leather, very comfortable. Has a little bit more of a spacious, wider feel than what you've probably seen in the Passage before. But there's just so much to love about the new Midwest Passage on the Ford Transit. Can't wait for you guys to come in and see it. I'm Ben here at Johnson RV in Sandy. Nick behind the camera. We look forward to seeing you soon to help you go camping.